King Cancer, King Rally, King Rally, King Cancer, Fallacia, King Cancer, Fallacia, rapper Azali. Sonke singama kings inwele zakhe zicrowning. Shout out to the queens isithwele ngane zinani. Siphethe uciko lo umbiko wento ezimnandi. King Cancer, Fallacia, rapper Azali. Sonke singama kings inwele zakhe zicrowning. Shout out to the queens isithwele ngane zinani. Siphethe uciko lo umbiko wento ezimnandi. BK number Scotsado.
Who is the best?
King Ken Cypher. That is a cannibal. Yaboga Dwan. Asa. That's it. Sure. Yo, si breakfast no milagic shiungazo begin. Exengi top la, sengibangane nyone ehlekeni. I'm gonna shake your world engathi uqeda ukufaka i-earthquake. Uqeda ukuthatha ne-Titan, you want me to give you a break? Nah, you better run Dwana for your own sake. Yeah, I run flows, that's me no better than fool. Plaza rock shows, ngathi ngiphatha manje mangicula. Dwana msikla, Dwana ngathi dinga isibhedlela. Ngoba ngiletha ukhanya ngakubona kucisha ikhandlela. Sizwe egazini ngidloba ugcwala ngithophe eningini. Dwana ungibuze komalume isakazela umanzini. Otisa mina ukho fanishwala udlala ngesikhathi mawuthi udoba ukho final kafiki nje nathi game on a fight zozwa amabhanjo left no right fike kuwena ngiphethe plaster mone brief unecut wazinke ibhathi cheese ekase ezinye ibhathi umakasi kushisweka sihleka naleze blomme emakhoneni shunqa kuphela sibheka they want to die for swala on this mic I'm killing it blaze I'm on fire ngathi ngiqeda ukufaka uspirit kwachere ntombe kuthinta ishandisa I know you feeling it yes I'm bringing it kama relax atwe when you singing it that I'm rappanyana basigena give it up bezuzela ngesekanyana lana ucathi step up senza amahlaka rap vele ushawe indlala ingakho kuhlisa shut up yo eyo feeling hardcore ukho awulethi imali kokho umoya bekuthi udala ubusingilili phezu komike abukho ubulili yokugcwala nge-aphili kubisi kubokota ngesikili lana ngirili ngiyakugobhoza isikili sekude ukulokoza goloza doboza isade wrong uzokuqhoboza wesihlahla somkhuhlane i-MC ngishiya iboza fukuza dukuza mone ebifu sineyibhukuza sithi sinyokozo gcwale ngesikelemu with-dread mase kushaya ngobhozo yobe ngcwele isibhakabhaka mase ngibalwa ney'tasi gazi ithula bongazi plase kasi semlazi gcwala ngisa lonyazi working ngengawahlazi wathi shazi athi ngizokusakaza ngishiye lesibhazi ukuthi yami ngeke ulungeke kwengane encane eklabhini underage intwana uhlula ngisho kuthuma imessage all of us are full of shit cause it drop isewage we ring a divozini uthanda ukuphuma esandleni bawungene emandleni relax-eke kulunge sayitsheni faka i-hip hop we elevate and take it to another level mina udevil mpili rough kathi gravel awuyona inombolo kodwa mangikubiza sabela lalela ngigalela futhi uyeke ukungidrayisela qaphela ngigcwasela shuthi mina ophethe what mawuyifake ikhansela gcwala mawuyifake ikhansela ubike nabani sothane King Cypher danki ngiyabonga